All right, so recently I've been thinking about that big room full of gold that Scrooge McDuck used to dive off of a diving board into and swim around in. Now that I think about it, that seems kind of dangerous. Anyway, well, it's got me thinking a lot about gold. As the economy does its roller coaster impression, more folks are considering gold IRAs. But if you're wondering, is it too late to invest in a gold IRA? Well, grab some popcorn because I'm going to dive into the details. Now, picture this. You're at the grocery store in March of 2020. You're grabbing a couple pounds of ground beef for that spring family barbecue. It costs you $3.88 a pound. Fast forward to today, and that same beef costs you on average $5.15 a pound. That's a 32.7% increase in costs. Inflation is no joke, you guys, and it's eating away at your retirement savings like a hungry kid with a bag of Halloween candy. Enter gold, our precious friend. Gold IRAs are like the financial equivalent of a comfy security blanket to hedge against inflation. In just a minute, I'm going to tell you what the price of gold has done between 2020 and now. But before I do, I want to answer this question. If you're in your 50s and approaching retirement age, is gold still a viable option? Gold IRAs work just like your regular IRAs, traditional Roth or SEP, but with a twist. You make contributions, and once you hit the grand age of 59 and a half, you start reaping those tax-advantaged distributions. And yes, Uncle Sam insists on required minimum distributions after you turn 72 because he likes to make sure that we're not accruing that interest and tax advantage for too long. Even though virtually everything you purchase with your distribution will be taxed, old Sam gets a little jealous when we can grow money tax-free. But that's a video for another day. Now, saving for retirement with a gold IRA can be useful for all the reasons that make gold a solid investment choice in any economy. You can use it to help diversify your portfolio, for example, and many financial experts say that diversification is one of the best ways to protect your investments against big swings in the market that can occur during periods of economic downturn. As you get closer to retirement age, putting some money in a secure asset class like gold can be useful to help protect the money you've saved. For seniors, gold IRAs may be especially beneficial because you're allowed to make additional contributions each year after age 50, while investors younger than 50 are limited to $7,000 for 2024, and those age 50 and over can invest up to $8,000 in their IRAs. Just remember, experts typically recommend keeping your gold allocation to 5 to 10% of your overall portfolio. Think of it as adding a little spice to your financial stew. Not too much, but just enough to enhance the flavor and mask the nasty taste of bad economic policy driving up inflation. So you might be thinking, is a gold IRA worth the hassle? Well, if you appreciate the timeless appeal of gold and the security it offers, it might just be. But like assembling furniture from that Swedish place, it's always good to consult an expert. If you're ready to get that process started, here's a phone number for you to call to chat with someone here at Goldco. We would love to answer your questions. If not, no worries, just keep watching and getting educated. Investing in a gold IRA may take a few extra steps, but it doesn't have to be complicated. Here are a few tips to help you get started. Choose a reputable gold investment company like Goldco to simplify your investment process by helping you open and fund your IRA and even set up with an approved custodian. Fund your IRA by depositing money in your IRA, typically via transfer or rollover. Now keep in mind IRS contribution limits and how much you want to allocate overall before funding your account. If you're using your IRA to invest in physical gold, make sure it's IRA eligible under IRS guidelines, meaning it meets certain standards set by the agency. And don't forget to choose an approved custodian, like Goldco, to store your gold. Make sure you check the company you use against the IRS approved custodian list, and you know about any storage fees you may incur before you sign up. Bottom line, a gold IRA can be a good investment option for retirement-minded investors, including seniors. These self-directed IRAs can help you gain the benefits of a gold investment, whether you're looking for a hedge against inflation or a safe haven amid future volatility. Just make sure you know all the restrictions of this type of account to fully take advantage and diversify your portfolio as you approach retirement. All right, the moment you've all been waiting for. If you would have purchased an ounce of gold on March 16th, 2020, you could have purchased it for around $1,500. On July 8th, 2024, that same ounce of gold is worth around $2,380. That's around a 58% increase in value. Gold outpaced beef price increase by almost a 2-to-1 ratio. Just remember, no matter your age or stage in life, Goldco has precious metals options for everyone. If you'd like to talk to a Goldco representative about any questions or interests you may have, use the phone number in the description below. Also, you can get a copy of Goldco's Wealth Protection Kit to learn more about diversifying and protecting your savings with gold or silver. That link is also in the description below. I'm MJ, and I'll see you next time.